I just made $200,000 within the past 3 weeks. Now, a couple of you will probably be asking, how did I do that? I am a day trader. I am a futures trader. I'm not staring to the camera because I have a ring light on top of it, and I'm not trying to blind myself. This is going to be a pretty raw video, me explaining how I did it, how I got into this, so forth and so on. I will show a breakdown also after I'm done talking here. So I came from Forex prop firms. I came from the Forex space, and I made a good amount of money there. I was a consistent trader there, but I made my move to futures after we had MetaQuotes. So we had a platform called MT4 and MT5. If you're a day trader, you know what that is. MetaQuotes licensing got pulled from the United States. So all the prop firms, all the regulated brokers within the United States, they are not allowed to use MetaQuotes anymore. They don't have the proper licensing. So what happened? A lot of people switched to futures that trade Forex. And Forex, there are currencies. You can trade currency against currency. You could trade so-called indices, which are the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, so-called NQYM. You trade gold, all that. I trade NQYM and I trade gold, GC. Now, my exact strategy works on futures and Forex. So I was like, okay, it's just a different platform. I need to get used to it. Let me go into futures. Let me see how futures work, and let me get started. I know how to trade. I have the skill. All I need to do is adapt into a different platform. That's what I did. And I didn't start with prop firms in futures. I haven't been in the futures game for a long time, 3 months at this point. I started with a live account, a Tradovate personal live account. And I managed to make, a little bit with that. I did a small account, 100% on it quite easily because I was risking a good amount. And I was like, you know what? Let me try out these prop firms, because a lot of people are talking about these prop firms. A lot of people talking about how they're making a ton of money on these prop firms. People made, and I've made a lot of money on prop firms in the Forex space, so why not try it on futures? So that's what I did. I bought my Apex Trader accounts. I would say it is June 15th. I bought them probably about a month ago. And I passed them within, I'd say, a week. And now I'm currently floating $200,000 across 9 accounts. I'm about, on average, $20,000 up per account on 9 accounts. I have a 10th account, but it's only up $1,000. I'll go over that in a little bit. Basically, what happened was I was on my trade copier. I placed a trade on my phone. It copied on all my accounts. I tried to exit on my phone. It did not copy. And ended up running for a lot of money off one single contract. So, that being said, Apex has a consistency rule. So that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build up to hit that consistency rule, that 30% rule, so I can actually withdraw my profits. And this is me documenting all of that. This is me documenting my journey with Apex. This is me documenting my futures journey. It's going very well so far, God willing. And that is basically it. So that's a little rundown. My name's Angelo. I've been trading for about 4 years. Most of you guys know who I actually am. If you're new, if you come from the future space and you're just seeing my video now, that is who I am. That's how I got introduced. To the people that have been watching me for a while, you already know who I am. You know what I do. So let's go jump into the chart. Let's go jump onto the P&L chart on Apex, and let me show you guys what I've actually been doing the past 3 weeks. And here we are on the PA chart on Apex. All live accounts, as you can see, updated to June 14th. Apex has been having a bit of updating issues on their charts, but luckily it updated for the weekend, so I actually make this video for you guys documenting how much I'm actually floating, all of that. So yeah, I'm up $20,000 on average on all accounts. I don't know what happened one day. I added in one more entry, with the DCA rule as well on Apex. You can get 1 DCA per trade. Okay, so if you enter in twice two more positions while you're in drawdown in a trade. That is going against the DCA rule. You can only enter in one more entry while you're in red, while you're in drawdown. So you guys know that. So you guys know the rule. So with that, my accounts kind of got, I don't know what happened. Some of them didn't copy those extra contracts. Some of them did. But on average, I'm up around $20,000 throughout every single account. Some are up 20.5, 20.6, 20.4, 20.2, 19.5. So that's the basic rundown. I'm up to around 15 trading days. I'm assuming I'll probably hit that goal to be able to actually withdraw and get approved. I can withdraw now, but I won't get approved. So I'm knowing, okay, why would I even want to waste my time? Why would I want to have to trade another 10 days to actually withdraw again and then get approved when I can just build this thing up to that profit target to be able to withdraw? So in total, I need $28.4 thousand across every single account. So some accounts I need less than 8,000. Some accounts I need 9,000. It is what it is. A little bit less than 9,000. But it shouldn't be too hard. I've been risking about 2% per trade, which is about $1,000 per trade. I'm on a $50,000 account, as you can see, 10 of them, and as simple as that. I mean, there's not much more to it. I'm up about 40% right now, so risking 2% is not really a lot at all. Some of you fail accounts and you fail evaluations because you do not keep your risk in play. What you need to do is you need to take these small hits, these base hits every single trade until you get to that trailing threshold where now there's no more trailing drawdown, which is 5% on the 50K. So once you hit $2,600 on a 50K account, you have no more trailing drawdown. So with me, I have around an average of a $20,000 risk buffer across every single account that I'm on. So I can risk decently heavy, for a $50,000 account. Usually if I'm trying to build up to that trailing threshold point, I'm going to be risking $200 per trade, 0.5%, 1/4%, to be able to take these base hits to hit that $2,600. And then you can slowly start to scale up. You don't want to go crazy. There's a lot of consistency rules within futures prop firms, and you need to play by the games, because if you don't, you're not going to get approved. You're not going to get your withdrawals. It's as simple as that. So that is the basic rundown. I'm up around $200,000, like I said, in 3 trading weeks. Not much more to it. That's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. My link for Apex Trader will be in the description below. My Instagram will be in the description below. If you want to join my Discord where I call out my trades, where we live trade 3 times a week, click the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, let me know what you thought. Let me know your opinions on the P&L that I'm currently up. Let me know your thoughts on all the rules with Apex and these futures prop firms, if you like them, if you don't like them. I think they keep traders very consistent, and that's the main thing with being successful as a trader. You need to be consistent with your plan, being disciplined, taking the proper setups, the A+ setups, the quality setups, and not over-risking and over-leveraging. Because once you do that, you're going to blow up your account. So stay consistent, stay disciplined, and do the same thing every single day, and you will be profitable after a while. Stop switching up your strategies and stick to one thing and master it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon.